What a day in food service today. Shit, I only got 603 cases for 17 stops. But on my way to work today, I got caught up in an accident on the turnpike. Yep, got caught in an accident on the turnpike, man. The accident backed up traffic for almost an hour and a half, yo. So I was out of it when I got to work. When I say out of it, like you wake up in the morning to go to work and do what you got to do, motivated. But when things happen that you can't control, it just take your mojo away. You feel me? So yeah, luckily for me, man, we got supervisors that been out here, so backed by a transportation manager that understand how it gets sometimes. So I was able to get some help, man, and just out here trying to get my groove back, man. It's we getting through it. I mean, sometimes you just gotta do things to motivate yourself, you know. So it is what it is, man. We gonna get this done, though. You know, it is what it is. Right now, if you look out there, we got Cisco out there. Right now, I'm running laps around Cisco, and it's not that I'm trying to run laps on Cisco. It's that some of these stops, man, I don't understand. I don't understand how some of these companies operate. Shout out to all the companies out there, but you'll have like a big stop, I mean, but you still see like different drivers showing up and stuff like that. I just don't get it. It should be all about customer service.